Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a drop-down list in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to create interactive forms with multiple choice options, whether it's for surveys, applications, or any document that requires user input. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to add or edit the drop-down list. This will open your document and prepare it for editing. Now, in the upper left corner of your screen, click on All Tools. This will expand your toolbar and give you access to all the features Adobe Acrobat has to offer. From here, look at the left sidebar and click on View More. You'll see a variety of options appear, but what you're looking for is Prepare a Form. Go ahead and click on it. This tool is essential because it allows you to create and modify form fields within your PDF. Next, click on Create Form. Adobe Acrobat will now prepare your document for form editing, which might take a moment depending on the size of your file. Once it's ready, you'll notice the interface has changed to focus on form creation and editing. In the left panel, you'll see different form field options. Click on Drop-Down List, then place it wherever you want on your document by clicking on that specific area. The drop-down field will appear on your page, ready to be customized. If you need to resize the drop-down list to fit your layout better, click the Select Text button in the left panel. This allows you to select and resize the drop-down menu you just added. Simply click on the drop-down list and drag the corners to adjust its size until it fits perfectly within your form. Now it's time to customize the appearance and options of your drop-down list. Right-click on the drop-down list you added, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a dialog box with several customization tabs. Click on the Appearances tab. Here you can modify how your drop-down list looks. Navigate to Border Color and click the color picker to choose your preferred color. This helps the drop-down blend in with your form's design or stand out if needed. Next, click on the Options tab. This is where you'll add the actual choices that will appear in your drop-down menu. Navigate to the Item field, type in your first option, then click the Add button right beside it. You'll see your option appear in the list below. Repeat this process for each choice you want to include. In the Item field, type your next choice, then click Add. Continue doing this until you've added all the options you need for your drop-down list. Once you're satisfied with all your entries, click Close to exit the Properties dialog. Now it's time to test your drop-down list to make sure everything works correctly. Click the Preview button in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will show you exactly how your form will look and function for users. Go ahead and click on the drop-down list to see all your options appear and test the selection process. Once you're done testing and everything looks good, click the Exit Preview button in the upper right corner to return to the editing mode. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save button in the upper right corner to preserve all the changes you've made to your fillable PDF form. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a drop-down list in your fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.